Really guys, good morning. It's 9 o'clock na. Nandito ako sa labas. Nag-check ako sa nectarine tree namin. And that's a nectarine fruit. Oh, nag-ano na siya. Nag-blossom na oh. Yan, magiging nectarine fruit yan later. Yan, marami din oh. Marami siya. Marami. Yan, marami. Marami yan. That's, ayan. Yan. Shout out sa mga members sa Pauline MM Vlog. Thank you guys sa inyong suporta. Shout out to sa mga VIP members ko. Cross Farm 5 in Canada. Sarago Official in Malaysia. Kuya Buds Vlog. Shout out Kuya Buds. Shout out to my very supportive friend, Radus Vlog, and my channel Kadungog Bet TV. Shout out to my super chatter, Boss Jess Pinarino, 7MGB9. Shout out my member in Germany. Shout out sis Quirky Lily in Germany. Look at that guys, so pretty. There's the pine tree sa ano yan, sa kapitbahay namin guys. Shout out to my VIP member, Talpa Cakes and Love Travel Music. Shout out my VIP member, and shout out to Lulu's Love Garden, my VIP member. Okay guys, I have to go inside because it's kind of cold pa. Bye-bye.